it's Faye. This is to all my girlies who are struggling with what we naturally struggle with as we age. The plumpness of the girlies are no longer there. Okay, they're there, but they just need help. This is the natural state of how the girls like to sit, not upright. And I get so many DMs all the time. Faye, how are you holding them up? I haven't found the bra yet, but I came across these silicone INVISILIFT bras. We're basically gonna test them out to see if they actually hold up and if they're worth money. And I'm not making this video for you to feel bad. There's a lot of types of chesty besties. I highly recommend you to figure out what kind you have. I'm more pear-shaped where I point outward anyway naturally. So my pears are more full on the bottom versus on top, and so cleavage has never really been a thing for me unless I manually force it. Every girl's chest is beautiful no matter the shape, size. You just have to find the beauty and feel confident in your own. So these are our first victims. They have that plastic ribbing underneath to mimic that annoying metal in real bras. All of these are adhesive, and this is supposed to have like a strong conceal lift. It's reusable. So you're supposed to put it like this. This part's also sticky, so you just stick it on like that. Okay, so I laid down the base and now I'm figuring out the straps. The straps are more sticky than the actual cup itself. I'm just trying to figure out how to do this so it's functional. How I'm gonna... It doesn't hold up that cleavage. Unless I need to bring in this band more. Yeah, it's not that invisible. Let's play around with the straps to see if we can bring it in more. Girls, let's come together. Oh, it's not as bad coming off. I feel like this may resist sweat, but it's not promising. Okay, I'm bringing it even closer to my neck, like a halter. So this is the back. It looks like this now. I still... Oh my god, it just snapped. There is more cleavage to this, but it's not to the point where I'm so plump. Plus, it's kind of uncomfortable having to like strap it so close to your neck. I can just feel this like undoing itself. I think this is best for backless dresses and you're not too concerned about boosting that firm cleavage. This will help with the sagginess, so that's a plus. Honestly, the wiring underneath is not doing much. It's just poking out. I actually don't think this is horrible. I feel like there is a lift and it does create some kind of combustion. It does look a lot better from before, but it's not like a wow factor for me. I'm wearing this tank for demonstration purposes, by the way. I do think this is better for closed up tops. This is a 3 out of 5. So easy. Like, do we trust it? It's not as painful ripping it off. Just be careful when you're taking this off. I see marks on my neck. Hopefully that is not a rash. So there we have it for these. Okay, so to mix it up, I got these bunny ears bra lifts. They're pretty much the same concept, except this is more friendly for your nips. So you're gonna put this on and then lift it up as you go. Make sure the bullseye is in the spot. Carry it up. This has like a way better grip. Again, I'm wearing this tank for demonstration. Lift. Pressing this down for a hot second. Okay, so this is uneven. So you want to wear a t-shirt or long sleeve without wearing an actual bra. I think this is a good fit. It definitely looks like it's lifting, so I'm happy with that. Make sure you're pressing this down. The cool thing about this is that you can actually wash it. The bullseye is like secure, not irritated. However, you do get to see that not a lot of cleavage is being compressed together. A lot of these are just for the lift and the no bra benefit. The more I'm like having this on and I'm moving around, the adhesion is definitely slipping off, slowly like untacking from my body. It's literally unhooking itself. That's not trustworthy. I don't know if it will be my best friend or my enemy. It's where the confusion comes in. Because if this suddenly snaps while I'm in public, will not be fun. Again, my chesty besties are heavier down here. So with the lift, it's giving such nice shape on the side. With this sticky, it's a little bit more simplistic where it fits just about right in this area. You can actually differentiate my chest from my belly. It looks like I got hips and stuff. The downside is this literally slowly, sneakily unclips from you. We'll go with the 3.5 out of 5. Okay, at least taking this off, it's not painful at all because of the little protection. Like these little heart grips, it's super soft on the chest. It makes it so much easier. There's no pain or damage. Thank goodness. These are the next ones and they come in this little box. You just open up the little drawer. Once again, I have these pear-shaped silicones. Oh, little nipple covers. Nice. So they give us a couple packs of these nipple covers. Great for us. Probably should use it, you know? You don't want to damage the milkers. You should feel these things. They're like really fun to touch. much. They're like stress balls. These are in the size large. You know the drill. Plop and plop them on. This little tapered tip, stretch it a little bit so there's a little bit of a lift. Honestly, if I'm looking at this right now, I don't think these are gonna be favorites. Skeptical, these are gonna work well. At least they identified right and left. So there we go. There's a positive in every situation. Super sticky. Interesting. They look like little fish cutlets. These are so sticky. Okay. Ooh, air bubbles going in. Press myself real quick. I feel like these little horns right here are a little bit more sturdy than the bunny ears. I'm not feeling the unraveling as it's sitting on its own. I didn't have to press it for way too long. I feel like it gives really good lifting. You can tell when there's a difference, you know? It's pretty sturdy, honestly. I thought these were probably gonna be the worst ones. Way better grip and quality as well. Just kind of maneuver it on. If you can get the horns to glue on, I feel like this one's a little bit more flattering. If I were to wear a top that was a bit more V-cut, I'd be most comfortable wearing these. These blend in the best. Just don't have to worry about big straps or bunny ears flapping off. They're like one with me. I think it's coming down to the fact that the adhesion is so strong. Even if the horns are flapping off, the girls itself has marinated into one versus the other ones, when you feel like the strap is about to fall off, the whole thing feels like it's gonna fall off. These are giving me independence. I think I'll give these a 4 out of 5. Very sticky. So I do recommend wearing these little nip covers. It's a little painful. These are the last ones, floral breast lift pasties. This one has a hair in it. I'm questioning if it's like, oh, this one too. Oh, this one looks like someone used it. Ew. Okay. So there's a piece of hair in each, and this one has been flapped open, so it's not sticky right here anymore. That's disgusting. So someone definitely worn these. So gross. I am not putting these on. There's hair in it. Someone definitely returned these. They're not new. Nasty trifling out here. Don't know if you can see, but there's definitely a piece of hair in here. You could totally see this one. This is literally supposed to be sticky, and it's not. This is sticky, this is not. Not about to get booby infections. Not on my watch. Ew, there's like hair on the other side too. The straps are minuscule. Oh my god, there's hair in the strap. The flower shape was supposed to give this enhanced design to help the lifting. It says strong adhesion, but ew, there's like things coming out of it. Truly doubt it at this point. It's just too nasty. You could have worn it however direction if you wanted to strap it to the side. So they could have acted as side wings. Apparently these are washable, and they did not do that. So, and they claim to not cause any allergies, so as the other ones. And it's not Amazon's fault, it's the brand or whoever is selling this. I give this a 0 out of 5. That is it for this silicone lifting booby pasties video. I don't know. I hope if anything this was informative and helpful for my big booby girlies. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.
Even if you try, you